Have you ever confused your all-purpose flour and your bread flour and now you can't tell which is which? I am a pastry chef, so I usually have bigger containers that I'll put my flour into to keep it more fresh. And if you don't label it, chances are you might not know what the hell is going on. This happened to me once upon a time. I didn't know what to do, so I learned a hack. I thought I would share. If you're a bread wizard and you can tell the difference by sight, smell, what's this called? Feel? God bless, you are incredible. I am just a mere mortal and I cannot. This is my indicator to know what this one really is. I'm not gonna tell you because we're gonna find out together. You just put the two flours equal weight into two different cups, bowls, whatever, so that we can add some room temperature water, same weight, so 1-to-1 ratio. Carefully. And then we're just going to mix it up. So what we're doing here basically is we are hydrating the flour. In flour there is gluten, that is wheat protein, and so we are basically activating that. Bread flour has a higher protein percentage than all-purpose, which is usually why you'll use it for breads, or if you want like a chewier cookie, maybe you'll add some of that in there, spice things up. God bless. Got our paste. Fun. Okay, great. But we have to compare, right? We're gonna add into this other one. We stir it up. So we've got our second. Here's one of them, right? So it's like it's like a little, what I like to call sloopy. What the hell that means, I don't know exactly, but this is what it is. That's sloopy to me. This one, look at that. That is very stretchy. Like, this is just so sloopy. And this one is holding its shape. So guess which is which? This is bread flour. This is your all-purpose flour. Go label your containers. You're welcome.